Good morning, everyone. Here I am Dr. V.S. Nishok from SNS College of Technology. Here we are going to discuss the topic twin tub process of CMOS fabrication from the subject VLSI design. So, in the previous video, we have seen about the CMOS fabrication through N-well process and its fabrication steps, everything. So, as a continuation of it, we are going to see here the twin tub process. That is the next process under CMOS fabrication. So, here in this video, we are going to see the topics listed here. So that is introduction to twin tube process and what are the 6 masks that used for the twin tube fabrication process, and starting from N-well, P-well and polysilicon, and diffusions, contact and cross-section view, everything are listed here. And finally we are going to close with our assessment and summary. So here N-well represents the PMOS transistor that are placed in the N-well, and the NMOS transistors are created on the substrate. And then similarly P-well, the NMOS transistors are placed in the P-well and the PMOS transistors are created on the substrate. So the combination of both N-well and P-well results as a twin tub process. So here the 6 masks that are used for twin tub process is listed here. Twin tub CMOS technology provides the basis for separate optimization of the P-type and N-type transistors. One can optimize independently for threshold voltage, body effect and the gain associated with N and P devices using this twin tub CMOS technology process. The 6 masks are listed here. For creating N and P well masks are used, and polysilicon masks are available, and diffusions, N type diffusion and P type diffusions are available, and contact based masks are available, and metal based masks are available here. So initially we will take a substrate and we will start creating the N-well and P-well. First, that is shown here. First, place wells to provide properly doped substrate for N-type and P-type transistors. Then pattern polysilicon before diffusion regions. So after placing the P-well and N-well, we are using the SiO2 above it, and then we are placing the polysilicon for placing the gate terminals of the transistors. Then next step is adding diffusions and performing self masking. So here in the P-well we are diffused N-type materials, and in the N-well we have diffused P-type materials for NMOS and PMOS transistors respectively. And after diffusing the respective materials, we have started adding metal layers above the both wells as shown in the figure. Then finally, after placing the metal layer, we will give the terminals, drain, gate and source, and we will go for final packing. So here we can see the cross-sectional view of twin tub process with both N-well and P-well, that is PMOS and NMOS transistors in a slide. So we are starting with two two transistors based on N-well and P-well, and we are fixing one by one layers, and then we are finally making the PMOS and NMOS transistors, and we are seeing the cross-sectional view of the twin tub process of CMOS fabrication. Now here coming to the assessment. So list out the steps involved in twin tub process is your first question, and list out the 6 mask levels that we have seen here for use for twin tub process, and draw the cross-sectional view of twin tub process. So these are some assessment questions based on this topic. So through by using these methods what we have discussed, from starting from taking a substrate and creating n well, p well, and we are using different masks for creating diffusion, and then polysilicon layers, and one by one we will complete the twin tub process. So that's all we can see in the next video.